palm up, and I'm going to drive my hips through him. Then I step over here, right into a half. Okay? So again, he goes this in. Let's say he doesn't have this up. Let's say he's got it the other way. Okay? I can still hook this down. I'm going to have to turn away now because I can't push him down through his foot, right? Okay? But if I turn away like this, maybe I can put enough weight that he can't step without losing. It's hard to step now, right, Coach?
Yeah.
So I'm going to turn away, and then I'm going to yank down on this hard. Hopefully roll him here. Okay? And I'm going to step over. And see how I hold on to this arm, right? He's not going to just stay there. Okay? So this is all this is called hip over, right? Whenever you take your hips, raise them up and drive them through your opponent and get to the other side, still facing down. It's called hip over. Can you show on the other side, Coach? Okay, if he comes in with a claw ride, his legs up, that's okay. I'm going to turn away from it, stretch it out, putting a lot of pressure on that foot so he can't move it. I'm going to try and roll him up here. Okay, get ready to step over. Notice my chest is down all the time. Slide it into my hat. Okay, if his knee is down, most guys do it this way. Even college guys will make the mistake and they'll do it this way. Just trap this leg. I can grab this if I want, but I got to get my hips up so I can put my head down if I have to. Then I just walk across. Just walk across, keep my weight on him so he can't roll away. Okay, you think we can try this? I know it's a lot of movement. It's not complicated. It's not high tech. If you have to, put your head down and do this until you get over. That's it. That's all it is.
Neck bridge?
Yeah, pretty much.